Hello, everyone. My name's Yong from INTEGRA Biosciences. I'm here today at the ASHI 2025 conference together with GenDx to introduce the MIRO CANVAS system, which is a digital microfluidic system for being able to do NGS library prep. And it uses electromechanical forces to be able to move droplets. Also, we have magnets, heating elements incorporated in the system as well to be able to do bead cleanups, incubations, and it's all automated in this very small, compact system. And the way it works is that we'll be using cartridges to be able to set up experiments, and the system will take you through step by step of the overall protocol. So you place the cartridge onto the system. The system will take you step by step to inform you which reagent to place where, and then finally your sample. Then you will close the lid, hit go, and then it will perform all the steps for you automatically. And we have developed it in combination and collaboration with GenDx for the NGS Turbo protocol. And so that is a quick overview of the system and the overall workflow, but it's made to be very compact, efficient, and fully automated for the protocol. Thank you very much.